Welcome to ETX Capital Market Bite. Today's 3rd November 2015. US equity markets rose sharply overnight as recent economic data signalled that the global economy is showing signs of improvement, although central bankers were quick to emphasise that the good news may be temporary. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 165.22 points to 17828.76. The S&P 500 gained 24.69 points, or 119%, to 2104.05, and the NASDAQ Composite added 73.40 points, or 1.45%, to close at 5127.15. US manufacturing activity slowed to a 2.5-year low, but a rise in new orders offered encouragement to investors. The NASDAQ rose 1.45% to its highest close since 2000, while the S&P 500 came closer to its all-time closing high of 2130.82 last reached in May. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside of Japan booked a 5-day losing trend, rising 1.4%, which was helped by buoyant US equity markets. Recent gains in Asian equity markets have been caused by growing hopes of the prospect of a delayed rise in interest rates in the United States. However, investors are wary that a slowdown in the world's two largest economies, China and the United States, will likely hurt export-driven communities in the region. In the foreign exchange market, the euro was within a tight range of $1.1000 and $1.1053. Last stood at $1.1080. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback was equally restrained at 120.64. The Australian dollar rose to one-week highs as investors began pricing out a December rate cut and was up 0.8% at $0.7200. The market outlook for crude oil remains bearish as supply still exceeds demand, and a persistent worry that the dollar will strengthen when the Fed eventually increases interest rates. The prospect of weak Chinese demand and record high Russian production is also affecting the price of oil. Crude rose 0.4% to $46.29 per barrel. Shares in Primark's owner, Associated British Food, are down around 2% this morning after the company said that profits fell 30% in its quarterly release. The stock is down around 1.14% this morning at 3,397 pence per share. Standard Chartered shares are also down around 6% after a dire series of bad news today, including restructuring and job losses. Last check, Standard Chartered was down 4.87% at 680 pence per share in early trading. Data today, traders will be eagerly awaiting a raft of GBP data later on, disclosing the Bank of England's inflation report, monetary policy statement and official bank rate. All figures are expected to be the same as last time. Thanks for watching.